Welcome to an amazing experience down memory lane. Oops, sorry. It should be down memory on the 100 over years old railway track. This is also the only railway line in the whole of Borneo. This heritage tour with the combination of historical train ride, Dusun culture, and historical Papar will surely give you a memorable and satisfying experience. Professional tourist guides on board will give lively commentary on the history landmarks as you ride past the street and countryside on the 30 minutes train ride. Upon arrival at Papar, be treated to this. Another Kadazan Dusun culture awaits you as you are guided to the nearby Dalmo on Thursday, an open market with 100-year-old history, or visit the central markets on other days. Continue down memory lane as you stroll along these old streets and shop lots while listening to historical events. And not to forget to visit one of the oldest coffee shops dated back 1961.
嗰陣時就2毫子一碗，
2毫子一碗麵，
嗰陣時2毫子好大嘅。
係啊，2毫子一碗麵啊！嗰陣時2毫子係屬於嗰陣時係嘅1940年啦，42年啦，咁嗰陣時都仲係英國殖民地嗰時候咯。之後講係婆羅幣啦，係嘛？婆羅幣。
係世界大戰第二大戰。
世界大戰嘅時候啦，係啦，942年咯，係咯係咯。咁呢間店係喺嗰陣時就已經有㗎啦，係同一個地方。
呢間店係1961年。
61年先開始啦。
啱啱我出世。
哦，你出世到幾多？
你影嗰張相，我阿媽就諗住我啦。
哦，原來。
Make your booking for this memorable experience. Contact us or any tour operator. Don't forget to like and share.